Hello students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today, let's start with exercise 5C. Today, we will learn about place value, then comparison of numbers, ascending and descending order, then greatest and the smallest number. So, let's start with exercise 5C. So here you can see the number 573. It is a 3-digit number. Here 573. 573. That is 5 hundreds. As 5 is at hundreds place. Now 7 tens. 7 is at tens place. And 3 the ones place. So 5 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 3 ones. In 573, 3 is at ones place, so its place value is 3 ones or 3. 7 is at tens place, so its place value is 7 tens or 70. 5 is at hundreds place, so its place value is 5 hundreds or 100 or 500. As you all know that in the tens place we add 1 0 in the right side. And for the hundreds place, we add 2 zeros in the right side. As you all know, in the number 10, there is 1 0 and in number 100, there are 2 zeros. As if we add 10 times, then it becomes 100. So if we add 1 10 times, so it becomes 1 tens. And if we add 10 times, it becomes 100. So let's start with exercise 5C. As you can see, the two first and the second numbers are already solved in 654. 4 is at, in 654, 4 is at ones place, and in 465, 4 is at hundreds place. Now in 723, 2 is at tens place. Now here in 603, 0 is at again tens place. Now here in 459, 5 is at again tens place. Here in 541, 1 is at ones place. Here in 145, 1 is at hundreds place. Here number 2, fill in the blanks. In 256, the place value of 6 is, as 6 is at ones place, so 6 ones or 6. Here in 954, the place value 4 is 4 ones or 4. You can write 4 ones or you can write only 4. Now in 786, the place value of 7 is 7 hundreds or 700, that is 700. Now in 945, the place value of 4 is 4 tens, as 4 is at tens place, so 4 tens or 40. Here, write the place value of each digit in the box. Here, as you can see the example, for 467, 7 is at ones place, so 7. 6 tens place, so 60. 4 is at hundreds place, so 400. Here 579. So 5 is at hundreds place, 500, 7, 70, then 9, is only 9, or you can write first 9 is at ones place, then 7 for tens to 70, then 500 at 100 place. Here 648, 8 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, so 40, then 6 hundreds place, so 600. Here ring the greater number, exercise 5D. Here number 1 is already solved. Now here is 761 and 724. As you can see here, the first number are same. So start comparing with the second number, that is the tens place. The number is at the tens place. Here 6 is greater than 2. So 761 is greater than 724. As we can see here in the example, the number which is already solved, 451 and 453 is the number. These two are the numbers, and here 4 and the first numbers are same, then the second numbers are also same. So start comparing with the third number. 3 is greater than 1, so 443 is greater than 451. Similarly here 219 and 354. Start comparing with the first number. Here 2 is less than 3 and 3 is greater than 2. So 354 is greater than 219. Here ring the smaller number. Here the first, as this is the 3-digit number and the second number is 2-digit number, so the 2-digit number is less than the 3-digit number. So 75 is less than 753. So 75 is the smaller number. So ring the smaller number. Here 674 and 542. First compare with the first number, first digit. 6 is greater than 5 and 5 is smaller than 6. So 542 is smaller than 674. Here 491 and 493. Here the first and the second numbers are same. So compare with the third digit. The 49, here first and the second digit are same. So compare with the third digit. Here 3 is greater than 1. So 491 is smaller than 493. Here number 3, cross the greatest number. Among all these numbers, among all the numbers, you have to cross the greatest number. Here the first one is already solved. So let's see the first one. 247, 742, 724 and 274 are the numbers. Here can easily see that 2 is less than 7. So 247 and 274 are less than 742 and 724. Now 742, compare 742 with 724. The first digits are same, but the second digit here 4 is greater than 2. So 742 is greater than all the numbers. So here 735, 753, then 357 and 537. As 3 is less than 5, 7. So 357 is the smallest number. Now 5 is also smaller than 7, the first digit number. Compare with the first digit. Now 5 is also smaller than 7. Now let's compare with 735 and 753. Here the first digit are same. Now here's 3 and 5. 5 is greater than 3. So 753 is the greatest number among all the numbers. Whenever you compare the numbers, first compare with the hundreds digit, then with the tens, then with the ones. If the hundreds digits are same, then compare with the tens digit, and if the tens digits are also same, then compare with the one digit. Here, cross the smallest number. Here you can see 273, 723, 237 and 732 are the numbers. Here the first, the hundredth digit, 2, then 7, then again 2 and 7. So 2 is less than 7. Now 723 and 732, here the first digit are same. Now let's compare with the tens digit. The 100 digits are same. Now tens digit, 2 is less than 3. So 732 is greater than 723 here. Now 237 and 273. Here 2 and 2, the first digit are same. Now 7 is greater than 3. Here 237 is the smallest number. Here 625, 256, 652 and 526 are the numbers. Here you can see that 2, the first, the hundreds digit, here 2 is less than 6 and 5 as well, as 6 is the hundredth digit and 5 is also the 100 digit. So first compare with the 100 digit. So 2 is less than 6 and 5. So 256 is the smallest number. Here, number 5, observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. First, see here, to observe the pattern is 409, then 411, then 413. As here is a difference of 2. 409 plus 2, 411. 411 plus 2, 413. 413 plus 2, 415. 415 plus 2, 417. So here 521, 531 and 541 are the numbers. Here the difference of 10. If we add 521 with 10, then it becomes 531. Then 531 plus 10, 541. And 541 plus 10, 551. Then 551 plus 10, 561. 561 plus 10, 571. There is a difference of 10 in each number. Here, fill in the blanks with correct numbers. Here 710, 711, 712, 713 and 714. Here 895, then 896. You can see here 98 and 99 is given. So 896, 897. Now here 170, then 169. It is a backward counting. So 170, 170, 169, 169. So 168, 167, then 166. So here number 7. Write the following numbers in ascending order. The numbers are given. You have to write the numbers in ascending order. 653, 356, 491 and 642. Here compare with the hundreds digit, as 3 is less than 4 and 6. So 356 is smaller number. 356 is smallest. So 356 first, then 491. Here 6 and 6 same, the hundreds digit. So here 4 is less than 5 in the tens. So 642, then 651. 3. As the numbers are in increasing order, now write the following numbers in descending order. You have to write the numbers in decreasing order, that is descending order. Here the numbers 600, 59, 569, 956 and 695. First compare the number, the 100 digit number, that is 6. 5 here, 5 is less than 6 and 5 is also less than 9 and 6 as well. And here 9 is the greatest number. So first write 956. Then here the 100 digit are same. So compare with the 10th digit. 9 is greater than 5. So 695. Then 650. 659. Then 569. That's all for today. We will continue the same chapter in the next class. Complete till page number 85. We will do the revision exercise in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.